In this video, I will be showing you where to find your checking account number and routing number both in our app and online. Once logged into our mobile app, tap on the account you would like to view. This will bring you to the account history page. Tap on Details to go to the account details page. The MICR number is your account number. At any point, if you tap More at the bottom right, you will be brought to a page where the routing number is at the top. If you have checks with us, both the routing number and your account number can also be found at the bottom of your checks. On our website, at the bottom of any page, you can find our routing number. To find your account number, you'll need to log in. Once logged in, click on the account you want to open the account history. Then, click the Account Details drop-down to view your account number. If you're logged in and would like to see our routing number, click Support in the upper right and it will be in the window that pops up. That's it. You now know how to find our routing number and your account number both online and on our mobile app. Have a question? Call us toll-free at 800-660-3258 or call our local number at 802-657-6847 to talk to one of our member resource specialists. You can also go online and send us a chat.